Hey, welcome to Kicking It with Connor. My name is Connor Johnson. Today we're going to be looking at the SDC. So here within the SDC, or Student Design Center, it's much more of a workshop, where Bach is more of a laboratory. So within here we have, welders, Bridgeport mills, couple lathes, grinders, a lot of pneumatics, air running through the whole place. We also have a lot of senior design product storage within here as well. So within the Student Design Center here, we're on the half that is a lot more senior design project, right? So all seniors here that are engineers will have their own project. They spend all semester or all year really putting in some time and work into it. This is where it's kept over here. So a lot of really advanced engineering projects on this side that, really cool to go through and look at. Later in the series, we're going to get a more in-depth look at each project individually. Thanks for tuning in this week to Kicking It with Connor. I hope to see you next week when we go through the RFID key access system with all the machinery here. I'll see you then.